Hi guys, in this video we talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus versus Asus Rog Phone 8. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. Asus Rog Phone 8 launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus height 6.24 inches, width 2.99 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The Rog Phone 8 height 6.45 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices: Samsung S24 Plus 196 gram and the Rog Phone 8 225 gram. Build: both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM card port. The display type: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X and 16mm color screen, and the Rog Phone 8 comes with LTPO AMOLED and 1 billion color screen. The display size: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 6.7 inches and the Rog Phone 8 6.78 inches. And the resolution: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 2K screen resolution and the Rog Phone 8 comes with 1080p screen resolution. S24 Plus comes with 513 ppi density. The Rog Phone 8 comes with 388 ppi density. The Rog Phone 8 comes with 165Hz refresh rate. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 120Hz refresh rate. The Rog Phone 8 comes with 88.2% screen to body ratio. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 91.6% screen to body ratio. And the both mobile come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And the Rog Phone 8 comes with 2500 nits peak of brightness, and the Samsung S24 Plus comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. Go to the camera setup. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto, and it records 8K 30fps video. And the Rog Phone 8 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it records 8K 30fps video. And the front camera: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 12 megapixel front camera and it records 4K 60fps video. The Rog Phone 8 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera and it records 1080p 30fps video. And the platform: the both devices come with octa-core CPU and Cortex X4, and the both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU is same and Reno 750 in both devices, and it comes with Android 14 operating system. And the memory of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 12GB of RAM. Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and it comes with 256GB and 512GB internal storage in both devices. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery backup: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 4900 mAh battery, and the Rog Phone 8 comes with 5500 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 45 watt fast charging. Rog Phone 8 comes with 65 watt fast charging, and the both mobile supported 15 watt wireless charging, and it comes with 5G network support. Common and feature is same, but the Rog Phone 8 have gaming trigger also. And the result of these devices: the Rog Phone 8 got 23 points and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus got 22 points.